Have you ever found yourself lost in the rabbit hole of YouTube, endless hours of videos? Well, imagine if I told you that you could turn that time into a source of passive income. Yes, you heard it right. Today, I'm here to unlock the secrets of transforming your YouTube addiction into a profitable venture. Get ready as we delve into one of the most sought-after methods: how to make passive income from YouTube. If you're eager to monetize your passion and watch your bank account grow, then you're in the right place. So, buckle up and get ready for an eye-opening journey. The first crucial step begins with finding your niche. A niche is a specialized and specific area or market segment that caters to a distinct and unique set of needs or interests. This being said, when looking for which niche is the right one for you, take into account your deepest passions and unleash your extraordinary expertise upon the world. Identifying the right niche empowers you to captivate a devoted legion of followers. Take the time to brainstorm ideas and delve into market research, uncovering untapped opportunities where you can provide invaluable content. Now that you've discovered your niche, it's time to dive into the exciting world of content creation. Remember, YouTube is a visually driven platform, so it's important to invest in a good camera and microphone to ensure your videos shine with excellent production quality. But what if you're interested in maintaining anonymity with a faceless YouTube channel? Don't worry, you can still create engaging and valuable content without revealing your identity. To make a lasting impact, it's essential to carefully plan your content and ensure it brings value to your viewers. Whether you're aiming to educate, entertain, or inspire, each video should serve a meaningful purpose. Consistency is key, so create a content schedule that you can stick to, allowing your audience to rely on your regular uploads. One of the most exciting aspects of being a YouTuber is the connection you build with your audience. The interactions you create with them will foster a thriving community around your channel. With your niche and outstanding content in place, it's time to start the quest of building your audience. Begin by optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags to increase visibility in YouTube's search results. By using relevant keywords that accurately reflect your content, you'll make it easier for viewers to find you. But that's just the beginning. Venture into the realm of social media and ignite the power of platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Promote your videos across these platforms, enticing potential viewers to explore your channel. Now, brace yourself for the thrill of collaboration. Make partnerships with other YouTubers in your niche, either through joint videos or appearances on their channels. This strategic alliance will introduce you to their audience and open doors to a wider pool of subscribers. Now this is where the real excitement begins: monetizing your YouTube channel. To qualify for YouTube's partner program, you'll need to meet specific requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and accumulating 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Once you achieve these milestones, you can apply for monetization. The primary source of income from YouTube comes from ads. YouTube will insert ads into your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads. However, it's important not to solely rely on ads for your earnings. Take the opportunity to explore other avenues of revenue, such as brand partnerships, sponsored videos, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Brand partnerships allow you to collaborate with well-known brands, combining your influence with their products or services. Sponsored videos involve working with brands that support and sponsor your content. You can also venture into merchandise sales, where your loyal followers can proudly purchase items related to your brand. And don't forget about affiliate marketing, as taught in the previous video, where you can recommend products or services and earn a commission for any sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Making passive income from YouTube doesn't stop at ads or the other streams of revenue. You can leverage your channel to build a business around it. For example, if your channel revolves around cooking, you can create and release a cookbook filled with your delectable recipes, or offer cooking classes to share your culinary expertise. As well as, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you can consider developing and selling workout programs or designing merchandise that resonates with your audience. But that's just the beginning. Expand your horizons and think about how you can amplify your brand beyond YouTube's borders. Just imagine creating a dedicated website or blog where you can provide even more valuable content. This platform will not only serve as an additional resource for your audience, but also open doors to selling products or services related to your niche. By building a business around your channel, you'll consolidate the potential to diversify your income. Multiple revenue streams will flow into your entrepreneurial realm, securing your financial stability and propelling your creative journey to new heights. You've successfully uncovered the secrets to generating passive income on YouTube. Now, it's time to embrace the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. Follow your passion and let your YouTube channel become a powerful tool for achieving entrepreneurial success and financial freedom. Get ready to sleep soundly while your bank account grows, all thanks to the immense potential of YouTube and your unwavering dedication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating passive income streams. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.